Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the dark theme or dark mode in the Vivaldi web browser really quickly and without any technical knowledge or skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So as you can see, I'm on the home screen here of my Vivaldi web browser and the theme is pretty dark. So this is how you can enable the dark mode for yourself, guys. Simply click on that gear icon in the bottom left corner of your home screen here on Vivaldi, and here inside your browser settings, switch from general to themes, and here you may switch from one of these themes here below to the dark theme, just like that. You may also switch from dark to light. As you can see, the theme has changed. You may also head over to the appearance section here and also set a custom website appearance like light, dark, or auto, for example, if the given website you visit supports one of these themes or appearances here, guys. So that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.